another magical adventure. It's a rainy day here at Epcot.
Adventure.
Yeah, it's a rainy adventure here at Epcot.
So my quick tip is to go for a standard ticket instead of a park hopper. That way you're spending all time at the park.
Tots are in the oven, looking good. Our chili.
Hey there guys, and welcome to another magical adventure. My name is Matt. If you're new here, welcome. We're so happy to have you. If you're a returning adventurer, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon to be notified of when all of our latest videos go live. We have so much great content coming up. Today is another Bibbidi Bobbidi Box unboxing, and I'm so excited. I love these every month. So let's see what we got this month. So here it is. No, I'm just kidding. This is only part of it. But actually this month, it's a huge box. It's huge. And so that just means the amount of magic inside the box couldn't be contained and needed a bigger box. So we'll start with this little box. See what's in the little box. I have no idea. So let's see. And it's your... In the little box is the paperwork that you usually get every time. I like the little one. It's cute. A little cute little box. But it's your Scrooge McDuck. Like it says last time, there's no such thing as talent, only inspiration and ambition. So there's that. Little postcard we got last time. It tells you on the back who it's made by, and it's Josh again this month. And thank you, Josh, for creating a magical box. We're excited. Oh, and this is spoiler alert, so don't open this. Alright, let's see. They pack very well, guys. And I always highly recommend it. Always highly. Alright, guys, so look at this. This is from the Disney Showcase collection. It's a Jim Shore, and I got a sneak peek on the side here of what it was. And this looks like, I think, the only item, because this is such a high value item. So I'm so excited for this. This is amazing. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna find an amazing spot for it because wow, this is amazing. It is Lion King, which, as most of you know, is my favorite Disney movie of all time. Be very careful with these, because these are... This is amazing. This is amazing. This is awesome. It's the scene where Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba are walking on the log in Hakuna Matata. It's one of my favorite images of the Lion King of all time. This is like one of the things that like I've always wanted and just never have bought. So this is amazing. And there's Simba, and because you can replace him on the log, and you can take Big Simba off. And Big Simba's on the log right now. I'll show you. Wow, look at this beauty. This is amazing. This is such an amazing addition. Holy mackerel, I love this so much. I love this so much. This is my favorite item that I've got out of Bibbidi Bobbidi Box so far. Wow, you can put little Simba on. It's magnetic, so you could switch, put little Simba on if you want. And then he becomes old. Well, not old, just older. Look at that. That is awesome. This is awesome. Love this. So thank you, Josh, for picking this item, because this is like literally perfect. Perfection. Bibbidi Boxes gets it right every time, guys. They know, based on your preferences, they put together this amazing box, and they're fantastic. Absolutely love it. I think that's it. I think that's going to be our big items. It's a huge item. And we'll double check the thing though. It's always good to give you like a receipt of what's in there too. So you can not only double check, but you can see how much money you saved with this amazing value. And yeah, this is amazing. $110 is what this costs if you just buy it outright, and I pay $100 a month for this. So you save money. You save money, and it's magic in the mail. So it's amazing. So there it is. So alright, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of when all of our latest videos go live. And be sure to follow us on Instagram at themagicaladventurers. And check us out at themagicaladventurers.com, where we have our blog and all things magical adventures. So thanks again for watching, and until our next magical adventure, see you real soon. Hey there guys, thanks for joining us on this adventure. Mickey and I have some great news for you. Take it away, Mickey. We got more adventures for you, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can join us on all of our adventures. Until our next magical adventure, see you real soon!